You guys need to check out this new shelf. I can't be more than happy with the results. When grocery shopping for the first time, check this out. Welcome back. During this video we're gonna do a little quick, I don't know what you want to call it, a luggage storage rack in here. Gonna serve dual purpose. It's gonna hide our salt bags that we have for weight for winter driving, and it's gonna build a shelf and put groceries or whatever and have that flat surface. Hold up, check this dog out. What's your deal? Why are you so quiet? I don't know, she's whiny. She wants to maybe go for a walk. I don't know. Anyhow, so we'll work on that shelf. Here we go. Best part, this is reused wood, but it comes with nails, bent nails. We'll take care of that. Changed up the design a little bit just because I want to put a toolbox in there while the salt bags are in there as well. So I changed it up a little bit. We'll see if it's still structurally sound. I'm gonna put a top on it as well, so check it out. Now I'll be able to slide this in the back and have a spot for my tools, put a platform up there, a shelf. Once I cinch these in, put a platform on there, and then buckle them in on the base. It should work. the shelf in the back of the Jeep. See what you think. Might not be the prettiest thing I've ever built, but it should be functional. Oh yeah. Gonna tie it down with some clamps on those factory tie downs. There's 4 of them. Should work. Put a shelf on the top. We should be golden. There's some tie downs up here as well. These tie downs should work pretty well. There's 2 up front as well. So once I get the top shelf on there, get the salt bags in there, get it clamped down, and I got a little surprise for the top. We're gonna use these little conduit clamps. Put it right on the luggage tie downs at our factory in here. After thinking about it more, I'm going to add more structure to the top on this side here and on the bottom side as well. And then the shelf will sit up there. I got the clamps in there on the tie downs. Do you think it will be secure? Check this out. Yeah, I don't think that's going anywhere. I don't know about you, but I think that turned out pretty slick. Salt bags are underneath there. Got them strapped in. Even used the pre-existing mounts for the tie downs. And now we got the shelf. It's solid. But I have one other little special thing I'm gonna put on the top of there. You ready for it? An old trunk mat for the top. I think it looks pretty good. Overall, I kind of dig the project. It keeps the cargo underneath the shelf. When you shut the gate, none of the cargo can go anywhere. The toolbox, the salt bags are cinched underneath there. So, and now you got a nice sticky surface up here to put groceries or bags or whatever you have to do. I kind of think the project turned out pretty good. The best part was it was all free. Free wood, had the screws sitting around. So there you go. I like the little project that we put together. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And follow us on Instagram at macsspecialities. Thanks for watching. Oh yeah, got me some hot sauce, meat tray, time to party.